Back up. Back it up. Hang it up. Okay, back.
Oh, sorry. Whoa.
Anna, did you and Abby are done. How many did you catch? They're all left for you now. Right under the stroller there. Look at that, Anna. Go see your fish. 2. Hold on. That means you guys can play with Malia, and I can help Andrew. Do you want some hand sanitizer? Here's your fish, man. And you get to keep the pole. That's pretty awesome. Can you reel it in? Run out of.
We're gonna get one.
And then when after Andrew catches his, he's got lots of time.
I don't know. He just said he was gonna. Yeah.
I just put it in.
Oh.
That marshmallow.
Yeah.
Do you want to try this one or not?
He's got.
Oh, he's getting it. Okay.
We're hooked together.
Oh. he caught his sister.
Watch out for you. Okay. So actually, she's done fishing.
I know. I saw that coming.
So there's her pole.
Yeah, because they only get 2, right?
Yeah.
I know. I saw that coming, and I was like, "Oh, he's not gonna let Abby have that, is he?"